Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Mazda CX-50. I think it's very important to understand that this is an all-new lineup for Mazda. It came out in 2022. A lot of rumors are out there that this vehicle, the CX-50, was going to replace the CX-5. That's not the case whatsoever. CX-5 is still Mazda's flagship, has been for quite a few years now. The CX-50 is something entirely different. This is designed for a different type of a customer. This is designed for the customer who likes to get off the road, go out into the world, and see the world on their own terms. And what I mean by that, customers who like to go hiking, they like to go camping, they like to go kayaking, they like to get out into the woods and get off the road. Well, you can do that with this beautiful creature right here. With the CX-50, it is a larger vehicle than the CX-5. It's not the largest vehicle. The largest is the CX-90. But the CX-50, what's nice about it is 10 inches longer than the CX-5. It's 2 inches wider. It's also 2 inches lower to the ground, which is nice. The doorways, as you can see right here, almost open at a 90-degree angle. And I'm just going to do that real quick just to show you. As you can see here, almost 90 degrees, not exactly 90, but larger entryways. Makes for getting in and out of the vehicle a lot easier, which is ideal for people who, once again, are more active and, need to get out of the car quickly, get back in their car because they're doing whatnot in the woods. With the CX-50 here, this vehicle is designed to handle it all. You can do any type of terrain in this vehicle and it's going to take care of you. It's going to get you done. Besides the fact that it comes standard with all-wheel drive, it does have an MI drive mode, and that's going to give you your sport mode, your regular driving mode, and then it gives you an off-road feature. With that off-road feature, well, what happens is that the vehicle will lower the torque and then apply brake force to the wheels that aren't getting traction. Really allows you to handle virtually any situation, whether it's steep hills, rocky terrain, mud, sand, deep snow, whatnot. This vehicle can definitely handle it. It's an absolutely beautiful, versatile SUV, a welcome addition to the Mazda family. Once again, it doesn't replace the CX-5. If anything, it just upgrades the Mazda family. So please, come see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. You can ask for me, Jason, I'm the floor manager here, or you can work with any one of my skilled and knowledgeable sales associates. We'll take care of you. We'll walk you through the process. We'll explain everything to you, allow you to test drive the vehicle, and ultimately take the vehicle home with you. Take care. Have a great day. We'll look for you on the lot. Bye-bye.